I'm down here with John Corpina from Meridian, and I want to talk, John, with you a little bit about what happened a year ago. I mean, what was your experience? Where were you during the flash crash?
I was standing about 15 feet away from where we were right now, staring at the boards. I was trading different stocks in different sectors, and to see the volatility in the market at that time, pretty much everything evaporated at one point. And looking at the news boards, looking at the charts and the indices that we have here, we're trying to figure out exactly what was happening at that given point, and everything clearly just turned red, and the charts just started trading right down. It took us a little while to figure out that clearly something was going on. At first, we're thinking it might have been a technology issue street-wide, but after a while, we realized that this was a unique situation and had to gear up very quickly to trade accordingly to get out of those situations that we were in.
Do you think it could happen again? I mean, they have put in place some circuit breakers. Do you think that'll deal with the problems?
I think it can definitely happen again, because I don't think the technology that everyone uses on the street is keeping up with the rules and the regulations and vice versa. So as technology grows and moves, the rules and the circuit breakers that are put in place can only pertain to certain situations that are out there right now. And as people get smarter and as technology gets smarter, it starts to be one step ahead. What's going to be very important is to try to have everybody come together. Our markets have become so fragmented. We need pretty much a central location of thinking heads to make sure that we have the right rules in place for the different market structures that we have out there.
Can we head in that direction? I mean, a lot of people are saying we need to step back and really look at the system as a whole and completely change it, maybe start completely from scratch. Do you think that that's necessary?
I do. I think taking a step back and looking at it is important because, as I said, our markets have become so fragmented, and the market structure in these different fragmented markets are completely different. We've gotten away from the core of what we need: price discovery, liquidity discovery, and transparency. We need to take a step back, look at the different models that are out there, and find what's best for the investing public. From my point of view, I think having as much transparency, having the right rules in place, will bring us back to where we should be.
What do you say to people who say this has become a big casino down here, and it's really about speculation, not about the long-term investor, not really what America needs?
Well, America needs a marketplace that's fair for the investor. Price discovery is what's important. Having speed is not always the right answer. Finding the right price for the investor on the buy side or the sell side is what you need to do. The way you do that is have the right rules in place and have transparency, and have people be able to man the ship, so to speak, when we're trading and trying to find the liquidity and the information that's out there. There are markets that are out there that are very dark, and that's exactly what they are. You're trading with dark boxes and don't know exactly what you're getting yourself into. When you have a market structure where there is both technology and humans involved, it gives the investor the best tools that they can to get the right price.
Hey, John, thanks very much. John Corpina here from Meridian. Carol, back to you.